Hi everyone. On this short video, I have two recipes of my style of making grilled chicken and oven baked potatoes. The only difference between the two recipes are one has more vegetables and the other less vegetables. And during the seasoning of the second recipe, I added some soy sauce to season the chicken. Well, you need just some chicken, any kind of chicken you would like, and then some potatoes, some vegetables. In the second recipe, I use vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, carrot, bell pepper, and more. Even onion was included. And then while seasoning the chicken, I also added butter. So I blended everything together and seasoned the chicken. So in the first recipe, I actually didn't marinate the chicken. I just put it after the seasoning. But then while on the second recipe, I had to marinate it overnight and then baked it the next day. Well, this is all about my recipe. I hope you enjoy it and have a wonderful life. Bye.